So in my previous video we have installed that Windows operating system ISO file using this Oracle VirtualBox, and we have created one Windows 7 virtual machine. Okay, so in this video I am going to show you that how can you use that .vdi file that will be created after the installation of the Windows 7 ISO file first time, and we can use this .vdi file to configure a new virtual machine. Okay, so as I have installed in the Windows 7 in the Oracle VirtualBox in my previous video. After that, I was getting the one folder automatically into my machine. In my user section you can see virtualbox.menu. So you click on it and it will create the folder as you mention the name of the operating system in your uh, Oracle virtual machine while you installing the Windows 7 ISO file, right? So you open this one. So here you can see that you will be having the Windows 7.vdi file. If you check the property of this one, it will be 13 GB. Okay, so now in this video we will configure a Windows virtual machine using this .vdi file. Suppose if you don't have that ISO file and you have some .vdi file, someone share with you this VDI file. So you just copy this VDI file in some place in your system, copy the address of this one, and just go to your Oracle VirtualBox manager. Here you can see that new is the first menu is enable. So I want to click on the new. Again it will ask you that your operating system name, so you can say Windows 7 OS machine. Okay, so automatically it will select this one. Click on next. I will select that virtual memory 2 GB, and now here you keep notice in your mind that in my previous video while I was installing that Windows 7 ISO file, then I was using this virtual hard disk now. Okay, this time I will use an existing virtual hard disk file. So I'll just select this one and click on this browse button. In that, and go to the path where your Windows 7.vdi file is created in your local system. So once you have on that right path, you can see the Windows 7.vdi is there in red color. So just click on it. It will be automatically fetched, okay, from the location, and the same with the hard disk mine, create on the create. Now this is the machine. Now what is the benefit of this? That you no need to install that operating system again. Okay, so this VDI file already have the installed operating system ISO file with the virtual hard disk and with the virtual RAM. So here I am using this .vdi file virtual, and I'm going to configure this .vdi file to my VirtualBox manager. Correct? So the benefit of this VDI file is that you no need to install that Windows operating system again and again. Okay, so if once you have installed that Windows ISO file in your virtual machine, as I have done in my first video, after that it will create a .vdi file in your C drive under the VirtualBox folder. Now you can use this VDI file to any machine. That machine should have that Oracle VirtualBox manager. should be installed, and you just give the path and it can be installed. If you want to remove, then you just go to this operating system and stop the operating system and click on this and you can remove it. Okay, so now this VDI file is already having this Windows operating system, hard disk and the RAM which we have given during the first time installation of the Windows ISO file. To get full screen, click on this one under devices. Okay, then it will launch one.exe file that will uh, give the full screen whatever VDI is installed or configured in your virtual machine. Just click on run and click on yes. Click on next, 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 and then the job is going to complete. As I have already run this job in my machine, so that's why I'm getting this full screen. But for you, if you are doing the first time, you will not get the full screen. After that, you just reboot your system and you will get the full screen once you have restart your system.